In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix voice chat unavailable mic grayed out on Rainbow Six Siege and how we can fix this if we're having this trouble, and this is what we have to do. So the first and foremost step is all about we have to change the voice chat record mode. So if you get into the game, what you need to do is if you're in the game, you can see over here in the voice chat under the audio, you can see there is an option over here called voice chat input mode. So right now, as you can see, this is on push to talk. So what you need to do is if you're already by default on the push to talk, you need to change this one to open. You have to just use the key on a keyboard and change this to open. Then you have to go for apply and you have to check. By some users, they might have changed it already to open, and still if you're facing the issue, from the open you have to change it back to push to talk. Then you just go for apply. After applying, what you need to do is you have to just wait and you have to check, and that might work. Next one is all about what we need to do is we have to create a backup of a game file and we have to download it from the My Documents. So what you need to do is you have to go over here, go to the documents. Sometimes if you scroll it down over here, you can see if you scroll it down here, you'll be having the games under over here on the My Games. So if you have the game here of the Rainbow Six Siege, first of all what you need to do is you have to right click over here like this. I'm demonstrating like an example. Right click and you have to go for copy, and once you just copy this, you have to paste it over here in the desktop. Once the game is copied and backup over here, you just need to go back to the My Games once again over here. Now from here, just get into the My Games, and what you need to do is you have to right click on the Rainbow Six Siege and you have to delete it. So afterwards you have to check. I don't know how this is related, but even I found this from the Reddit as well as in the Quora. So for many users, this particular step did work it. So we have to try with it and that might work. Next one is all about what we need to do is we have to do not play the game, or if you're having the trouble, for example, if you're trying to get into the game on the Rainbow Six Siege on the Steam, if you're trying to get into the game on Ubisoft Connect, and you should not be playing the game directly. Instead, what you need to do is you just need to log into the match replay or training ground for a few seconds. After you just do it for 1 to 2 minutes, then you try launch the game inside the game. You can try continue playing the game and that might work. And also parallelly, you have to keep in mind sometimes you might go through a server outages as well. So what you need to do is if that is the case, you have to go over here, check whether you're going through any kind of server outages. Like I said, it is going to refresh. So even for the PC right now there is no issue. For the PS4 we don't have an issue, and for the PS5, Xbox Series and Xbox One, everything is working fine. So you have to check in this way and that might work. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this, and I hope this gave today's self-help. That's it. Bye.